So after you signing in to your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com, you want to make sure you are clicking on My Info sections. After that, on your info, you want to tap on your own name. Then tap on the Revisit button right here. On occupation or job title, you may tap 2 times inside the box and start to change to another job that you should have. And after you are done, click on Continue button here. Click Continue again. You may scroll down and hit Continue again. Scroll down and tap Continue. Click Continue once more. And there you go. When you click on your name again, your occupation should change to the new one. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.